Havana. Anyway, we're gonna fill up with some gummy berry juice and go grab a bite to eat. And then we're off to TrackMac in Belleville just to have the bike checked out for the trip next week up to the west coast. Alright, well, I had a good breakfast here at Steers. They started making breakfasts again. Last time I was here they didn't have breakfast, so that's just awesome. Anyway, it's off to TrackMac we go for a bike inspection. It goes green and he doesn't, the pickup truck just doesn't move. Don't even think about it, buddy. Holy shit, these roads are bad. It's a really shit area of town. Hey, how's it? Is het lekker speelding?
Ja, hij maakt me niet zo de moeren, man.
Is het? Hoe kom?
Ja, ik krijg me dat hij recht werkt. Dan hier een kwaal, dan daar een kwaal.
Is it?
Ja, nee.
But that's KTM. I've got a friend who's also got a KTM. My cousin, he loves KTM, but his first KTM gave him endless shit.
Yeah, I raced a long time, almost 10 years.
Okay.
KTM 200, 250, 530.
Sure.
But this one.
Yeah.
Big stuff, but
yeah.
always something small. My friend, he had 1190, now 1290. His bike got 3000 k's on. He himself already started leaking. Okay, we do extreme.
Yeah.
It's not supposed to be like that.
Yeah.
This one is high maintenance because before you even start working, you have to take out crash bars, tanks. Then after all that, it's almost a 1 hour job before you can start with the actual
Unreal.
maintenance.
Sure.
But it was the clutch reservoir, then the brake reservoir, and then you had the oil leak now, and just before that, front shock was leaking, and then the back shock. So
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a Monday bike, I don't know.
Sure.
But yeah, it's got 55,000 k's. So.
Okay. Alright. We always used to make a joke, a KTM is actually called an ATM because it's you just pay money out all the time, eh?
It'll be your first, but definitely your last because you won't afford any other bike again.
Yeah.
But Japanese and Germany.
Yeah. But I want to go and have a chat with them there quickly because I need to, I've got a big trip coming up to the west coast.
Okay.
So I need to make sure this thing is right. Nice to have met you, eh?
That's a Vian.
Yeah, Vian, nice to chat, but GPS just gave me a speed warning. I didn't realize Google Maps actually did that. It's kind of cool though. I hope I don't get a fine. I think I've spent enough money on motorcycles right now. Anyway, new front tire, new back tire, new front and back sprockets, plus new chain, plus back brakes. All done. Shit. It's been a hectic month as far as bike expenses are concerned, but at least the bike is ready for next week's trip to the west coast. So I'm gonna grab a bite to eat and something to drink and enjoy the view, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Adios.